Okay, and last up, get one more good turn on the bottom with the nut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to put together this Marius stackable stool. Super simple, super cheap. Goes for $7.99 in the US right now. It's only 800 yen here in Japan, which the current exchange rate is actually only $5.71. So even cheaper. But anyway, $8 is a pretty good price. We got this because we want to just have some extra seats if like the relatives are over. Folding chairs nowadays are costing like $20-something, and for something you're not going to use that often, stool's probably good enough. So anyway, we got 4 of these. I'm actually sitting on one that I just put together. Let's do another one together. So basically what you need is something to cut the bag. It comes with a wrench, and you need a Phillips screwdriver. So yeah, there's basically one nut that you need to use the wrench that's included, and the rest is just screwdriver. If you have a power driver, it'll be a little bit faster, but you can do it with your wrist because there's only 4 screws. So super simple instructions. I'm not even going to look at them. Here's the top. 4 screws go in there. Here's your hardware and plastic mounting brackets. Okay, and here are our legs. Okay, so now we've got our nut and bolt and the little wrench that it comes with, and our 2 legs. And this is pretty much the only tricky part, is you want to make sure that you put the one with the square opening like that on top, and they fit together like that. And then the bolt has a square head on there, and that just goes in there, and then tighten the nut from the bottom with the wrench. I would suggest you don't tighten it too much because you want to make sure that it is actually square so it still fits in the top, because as you can see there's a little bit of play here. So put the top on, screw that on, and then tighten this one up the rest of the way. Okay, and on the bottom of the seat itself you can see that there are 4 posts with holes in it. That's where the screws go in. So let's get this guy mated to this guy. So get it all the way in. This is where that alignment kind of matters. Okay, so last up, we've got 4 of these plastic sleeve things, 4 of these screws. Drop this guy in here. Grab your Phillips screwdriver. And now you just want to basically drive it all the way in to the bottom of the seat. And of course, push down so you don't strip the head off the screw. Just in general, don't tighten it all the way up until you've got them all lined up. Okay, and last up, get one more good turn on the bottom with the nut. You don't want that thing coming off. Anyway, that's basically it. Here's what it looks like. One thing I didn't mention before, but it's important, it notes here, do not stand on this thing, and it's only rated for 100 kilograms, which is actually not that much, because you just imagine, that's 220 pounds. So even like a very large, healthy person is technically overloading this. And obviously in some parts of the world, 100 kilograms is like below average for some people. So yeah, if you're a healthy American full-size, supersize meal eater, maybe aim for something a little bit more expensive than this guy, because 100 kilograms, I'm like 80-ish, get a bigger one. One other interesting thing is the reason why these spacers are so tall is actually because it's stackable. It allows some space for the leg, the curvature of the leg, to miss the lower one. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna tempt fate and sit on 2 of them at the same time. You can do this. I can actually feel the plastic seat flex when I do this, so probably not a good idea. But anyway, that's it for today. If you guys have any questions or comments about the Marius stool, do let me know down in the comment section below. See you guys next time. Bye.
That the thought of just having this go with me all the time, like the overhead bin, as soon as you get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally, that could save you